So today we're going to be fishing, magnet fishing along a beck or brook in Sheffield, and it's quite a narrow one. We've got just there, be perfect for wading, but I haven't got waders today, so just going to see what happens and go from there. So hello and good morning and good evening wherever you are in the world. This is Magnetic North Magnet Fishing. So there we've got a small culvert. It's going under the road and the bridge. I'll be trying here first and then moving slightly downstream. And this is the area just around the corner of the culvert. Bit deeper, so I'm going to try there as well. So I've just spotted this in the water. It's not magnetic, so it's going to be a brass furniture handle or doorknob. That's probably 1920s 30s in date, so I'm rather happy with that one. So move round to a different spot. The last area gave absolutely nothing, but as you can see here, there is old brick debris, so there's a chance that there could be something dumped along this level. So first cast into the new area, and I've just got magnetic rock and part of an old boot scrape and a bit of wire. A few casts and I've just had a nail, bolts, bits of pipe, this piece with the electricals on, part of a magneto maybe, another bolt, bits of metal spike, a centre tube bearing thing, bits of bent nail, a spring, bed spring, an old ingot or wheel, and this piece, which no idea what that is, but it's bolted here. It's had a fit in here, and a nail. On these old streams and becks, good indicators that there could be items there are old bricks. They always show inhabitation of an area, and also bits of pottery, bits of glass, old bottles. You just never know. I've just cast in here, and there's definitely something in there. There's the bubbles. It's coming free. Yep, there it is. And we've got an old bolt. We're going to cast back in again. Nice and gentle so you don't chip your magnet. And I've just felt, yeah, I've got something else there. Just slowly work it. It's come off. That was in the silt. I'll get back to you in a moment. So a few more casts. A bit further down we've had an old nail, bike lever, chair spring or bed spring, an old lever, piece of metal handle, more rebar bits, this old, possibly a wrench, bits of rebar, sash weight of some sort, and I just had this fragment of a magnet. Few more bits. We've got a tap, eyes only found, not iron, so probably an old brass one. We've got bits of bar, we've got copper wire spool, this motor, we've got bits of metal, bits of bar, quite sharp, angle iron, furniture caster, and pulled this out as well. That's going to be going as well. And then we've got this nice piece of old cast in the shape of a heart there. So I'll probably repurpose that for something. So this area's been cleaned up. It's all in that pack. So now go and find a bin on the estate up there, and I'll come back to it and do a bit more cleaning, and hopefully there'll be some more finds. But as you can see, old bricks definitely indicate where there's going to be items in the water, at least in most cases. So it's a beautiful day. I've just basically had an hour, and I've gone most of the length of the back on the south side of the bridge. I'm going to walk back down along the footpath and do a bit more on the north side of the bridge. And if you're out, good luck, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment on all the social medias that I'm on: Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and I'll get back to you very soon. Using the Evo 60 from Online Magnets, and I feel on the becks and streams, if you just want a light day, it's still going to pick up good big bits of metal, but some of the stuff that's trapped extremely deep in the silt, it does struggle with. But I know that there's going to be more items in that beck, but they're going to be for another day. Just make sure when I come back next time I've got waders or Wellington boots, and I'm going to literally mudlark magnet fish, which is walking through the beck or stream with a magnet to help me recover items that can't be seen. I'll get back to you shortly. We're just going down to the other side of the site where I'm going to start. I'm going to show you the other side of the culvert that crosses under the bridge, and I'm going to start just at the end down here. So here we have an old culvert, part of an old drainage, and that there is the tunnel that goes under the road down there. And so here's where I'm going to start. Back with you in a moment. So most of the beck, even though it's shallow, it's not really accessible from the embankment, but this little area is. So I'm going to have a bit of a fish here. And I've just seen in there it's a nicely decorated piece, so I'm going to get my magnet back out and rescue that. So I've clipped onto that decorated bit. So there we are, and a big ding ding, and part of a gas stove pressure top cooker pot, and part of a letterbox backing plate. Just cut on something here. I can see it's coming free. Yep, it's free, and it's on. We've got coil spring, which could be reused as a holder for something. So I've just finished in that bit of an area, and I'm going to start walking back towards the bus, and then I've got quite a bit of time to get back home. So whilst I'm going home, I may try and sort the video out whilst I'm heading back. And hope you've enjoyed this adventure to Magnetic North, magnet fishing. And until next time, which hopefully should be soon, who knows what's going to be found. Bye for now.